Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to upload more than 100 MB on Discord. So open your browser and open this website called WeTransfer.com. You can share large files through this website. Click on I just want to send files and click on upload file, and now select the large file that you want to share on Discord and click on get a link. Once it's uploaded, you will get a shareable link, so you have to click on copy link, and now open your Discord server where you want to send the large file and simply paste the link here and send it. And now if someone click on this link, they will be able to download the large file from this website. Here is the download button. So that's how you can send large files on Discord. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.